everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I get these big voluminous long-lasting curls like you see here. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going to go on soon on my channel. I will have it posted July 26th, and yeah, I will have a few of the products that I used on my face today. I will have the Morphe setting spray. It will be an international giveaway, so if I can't ship this, I will replace it with something of the same value. But this is intended on being in the giveaway. And also the Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer in the color Sweet Tea, and also the Morphe palette 3502. But yeah, you want to see how I did these curls, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I do is take my hair down from being in a bun all night, and I'm going to just brush it real quick with this big butt brush I got from Thrive Market. I can't remember what exactly it's called, but I will have all these products that I'm using in my description box below. Not all of these are cruelty free. So my cruelty free journey is kind of like a standstill. I was venturing out and trying new cruelty free products. I'm doing good on the makeup department, but as far as hair care goes and body care, it's not going so well. But okay, so most of these products are not cruelty free. This brush is, but if you know of a cruelty free like dupe or alternative for any of these products, list them in the description box. I mean, not the description box, but the comment box below, so I can check them out, because I am interested in trying different hair care products. After I get done brushing my hair, I'll kind of figure out where I want to part my hair. I got this broken Conair comb, but you can use any type of little comb. I just had this in my drawer. And just make a line, kind of push it that way, see where your hair wants to go, and kind of just make a part. There's where mine's going to be at today. I did wash my hair last night. You do not have to have clean hair to do this, but it was just time to wash my hair. Normally I don't curl my hair until like the second or third day hair, because messier hair like holds better, but you know. Okay, I got my part. I'm going to brush the back. I'm going to separate it in two sections, judging from the back. Kind of act like you're doing like ponytails, I guess, to section it off in the back. Doesn't have to be real precise, but you need it kind of precise, just enough where when you're doing your sections, it doesn't, like, I don't know, pull from the other side. Then so before I brushed my hair, I should have sprayed my heat protectant in it, but I just now thought about that. So this is the TRESemme Keratin Smooth Heat Protectant Shine Spray. I've had this forever and I love it, but like I said, if you know of a cruelty-free version that works out good for you, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm gonna go do this off camera. I'm just going to go on the side over here and put my head upside down. Make sure that I get mostly the ends really good, but also just basically do, like, I don't know, 6 sprays on the front, 4 sprays on each side, and then 6 in the back. If that makes any sense. Just make sure you coat all of your hair in the spray, and then when you go back to brush it out, then it'll like go through the rest of your hair. So I'm gonna go do that right quick off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got done spraying my hair with my heat protectant, brushing the hair, that way all the heat protectant's throughout my hair, and then I sectioned my part, and then in the back in 2 sections, like so. So now I'm ready for the next step, which is making like a section see, what end do I want to start with? I'm going to start with the thicker end just because that'll give it more time to cool down more than the other side, but it doesn't really matter, I guess. I'm going to make a section basically kind of separating it through here. You can make yours smaller or thicker, just depends on what you want. And like you can tell, it's not perfect, but it's like where my ear is and going up. I don't like to make too many sections just because I don't want to spend the extra time. Plus it does pretty good anyways. And I'll put it in my big butt brush, kind of put my hair in it real good, then go with my hairspray, which this one is like extremely old. I'm just trying to use up my collection. Like I said before, I'm trying to go cruelty free on as many products as possible. This is my last can of non-cruelty free hairspray. So this is the TRESemme Super Hold with Touchable Feel. It's the number 4 in hairspray. That's what it looks like, but like I said, it's like really old, as you can tell. I've had it probably for at least 5 years. So yeah, but it still works really good and holds really good. I do recommend it if you're not into wanting to be cruelty free and you see this at Walmart. It's cheap, it's really good, I love it, pick it up. But my next one I'm going to try is the Big Sexy Hair, I think that's what it's called. It's cruelty free, so yeah. Alright, and so I got my section. Now I'm just going to spray it all the way from like here all the way down to my ends right there and coat it. Like so. And then I will brush the hairspray. That way it's going on the other hairs that didn't get the spray a little bit. And I'm going to hold it with this hand. I'm going to make it go up as far as possible upwards. That way it will be on my face when I do my makeup. And it creates more volume the higher you go. Hold it with your left hand and then put your iron right through here. Make sure this little thing is down so it doesn't pull your other hair. Put it right there at the base. Kind of wrap it around where it's like that at first, and then you're going to kind of twist your hair around to the end of the barrel all the way down to your last piece, and then you can just hold it for like 20 seconds and take it out. After 20 seconds you can kind of twist your barrel where it loosens up your hair a little bit, or you can just release it with your fingers and let it go to your hand. It will be a little hot, so be careful with that. But you want to keep the curl. You do not want it to fall because it will start cooling down really fast, and you don't want that. You want to heat. It's like heat rollers, but just it cools down faster. So you're going to clip it. Here's the clip I'm using. I believe these are Conair. I got them at Walgreens. I'm not really sure, but any kind of clip that looks like that. And then you just get in the center of your loop and put it in there and clip it up out of your way. And it will look funky, but it makes a very beautiful curl. So now I got Elvis hair. And you will get another little section. And basically just keep doing the same thing with little parts like so. Maybe a little bit smaller depending on what you want. And just keep doing the same thing around your whole head, basically. So when doing the back sections, since it is the most healthiest hair and the more than likely the longest part of your hair, you're gonna want to take smaller sections. But yeah, me, I like to do either like 3 or 4 sections per side. when you do this part, since your section was smaller on this part, you're actually still going to do like 3 or 4 sections on this side also, but doing it this way makes it more voluminous because you're doing smaller sections, so they're like a little bit tighter of a curl, so it kind of balances out your sides, if that makes any sense. So you saw how that curl just fell before, I couldn't even get my hands on it. Just kind of let it fall if it's already happened, and kind of scoop it up the end of the curl and push it back up. Normally it would go in its place really easy. That way you can clip it back. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I will leave these in my hair, like just let them cool down, because like I said before, it's kind of like hot rollers in your hair, but they just dry down a lot faster. So I would keep them in for at least 5 minutes, but the longer you keep them in like this, the longer they will stay. You can actually just go ahead and put more hairspray on it if you tend on wanting them to last more than 2 hours, which I really like the way it falls. Like, it's not going to stay exactly the way it looks freshly 2 hours after you do it, but I like how it naturally like decurls itself. It doesn't like completely come out, but it's still like, I don't know, soft, and it looks good in my opinion without the extra hairspray. So what I normally do is I go do my makeup at this time, and then I will take the clips out, or the, I guess you call them clips, whatever they are, and then I'll ruffle my hair, I guess is what you call it. I'll just put my fingers through it and kind of break it up after I get these out, of course. Throughout my whole head, I'll do like, start at here on the sides, and then I'll just ruffle it towards the back, and then I'll do like the corners, and then I'll go all the way back, and then I'll go to the top and go all the way back. That way it just breaks up these little sections, and then I will touch it up. But I'll be right back. I'm going to go do my makeup real quick. I'm going to be doing like a summer festival look. It's a collab with Sky and Little She Bear. That is going to be in a future video. I think we're uploading the 12th. This is going to be uploaded, I think, the 8th. I'm not sure. It's going to be soon, basically. So I'm going to go do my makeup for that real quick, and then I'll be back with you to do the rest of my hairstyle. Okay, bye. Alright guys, I am back, and I'm here to show you how to take your curls out after doing your makeup. Don't forget that this eye makeup look will be posted, let's see, the 12th, and it is a collab. It's a summer fall festival look. It's a collab with Little She Bear and Sky. So I'm just taking my clips out now. Let's see, this is not a good angle. Right, maybe that'll help a little bit. So I had 4 sections each side, so a total of 8. That's what the thicker part looks like right now out of the clips. I did put extra clips in just to hold my hair back while I was doing my makeup, but it wasn't like holding the curls or anything. It was just pushing it back. Alright, that's what it looks like when it's just down. So now I want to get these little parts broke up. So normally I will put my head upside down and kind of ruffle it up. Let's see if I can get a good angle doing that. So I'll just like flip my hair over like this, get my fingers, spread them out, and kind of just get in my hairline. Kind of like when you're washing your hair with shampoo. And just make sure you got your whole scalp and you're just like breaking up those curls. But not like actually brushing through with it with your fingers. Just kind of basically scratching your scalp. Just a little bit like that. Flip it back over. Get that part going. Separate your hair like so. And yeah, just place it the way you want it. And that's it. That is it, girls. Voila. That's how I do my big, voluminous, big, long-lasting curls. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I showed you how to make these big, voluminous, long-lasting curls. Yeah, don't forget about my giveaway that will be posted July 26th. And like I said before, I'll have the Morphe setting spray as long as I can ship it out to you. The Too Faced Hangover Primer, the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronzer, and also the Morphe 3502 palette. These are mine, but I have yours in a box ready for the winner. But yeah, and don't forget, if you want to see this look that I created, the makeup look, it will be up the 12th of this month. It is a summer festival look, and it's a collaboration with Little She Bear and Sky. I hope you enjoyed this. Give it a big thumbs up if you like hair tutorials, and I might do them more often. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!